Meaning of dreamboat.
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 Dreamboat. Dreamboat is a noun that refers to a person, typically a man, who is very attractive or charming and often serves as the object of another's romantic fantasies. To be called a dreamboat is to be complimented on one's good looks and appeal. The term is usually used in a light-hearted or playful way rather than being overly serious or intense. Dreamboat is a colloquial term that has been around for decades and is still commonly used today in casual conversation and popular media.